Okay, Beryl, so tell us a bit about yourself and why you came to Confidental.
I came to Confidental because my teeth needed really decent attention, and I'd been threatened with a promise of them all being extracted, and waking up with a new one sitting on the table next to my bed after theatre was over, and I thought, oh, no, it's got to be better than this.
Yeah. Oh, bless you. Now, did you have any other treatment options?
No,
For you?
no.
Just implants?
Well, he did a whole selection of things. He did implants and fillings and caps.
Crowns. And
Crowns,
like
yes, yeah.
Yep.
Mm.
And did you feel implants would be better for you?
Well, that was on Sandeep's recommendation. These two at the side here, and they're fabulous.
Oh, brilliant. How did you feel about having the implant treatment?
Oh, quite happy.
Very happy? How was the process? All fine?
Yes.
Lovely.
No pain. Absolutely wonderful.
Oh, fantastic. And how do you feel in yourself now you've had it all done?
Very chuffed. The results, I think, are pretty good.
Oh, fantastic. Do you feel more confident and things like that? Since
Oh, absolutely. Can't stop smiling.
Oh, that's what I'd like to hear. Does Sandeep live up to his promise of being calm and caring?
Oh, very, yes.
Oh,
Yes, he's lovely.
He's the best, isn't he?
Oh, he's super.
And would you recommend Confidental to family and friends?
Absolutely. I've been confidentialing everybody. I've got a fabulous dentist if you need treatment.
Oh, fantastic. Thank you
There we
very
go.
much for that, Mrs. Johnson.
My pleasure.